Hello guys, welcome to Dr. Technology. The Oura ring on its own is already a fantastic product. But what happens when the team behind it partners with a luxury fashion house like Gucci? Well, you get a luxurious smart ring that will be much coveted. This is the first collaboration between the fashion brand and the Finnish health technology company. Getting fit and healthy can be stylish now with all the fun and beautiful wearable pieces available on the market. Of course, trendy smartwatches can help, but intelligent rings like the Oura ring are more convenient. The Oura ring's features are limited, but you can never go wrong with a stylish product. The Gucci X Oura ring celebrates self-discovery and individuality. Oura's technology combined with Gucci's flair for style results in exquisitely crafted ring. People won't think you are wearing a health tracker because the Gucci and Oura ring looks just like a simple accessory. It works with an accompanying app, which means you can enjoy the research-grade technology inside the personalized guidance Oura is known for. It offers the same comfort and biometric accuracy, but now with the distinct Gucci style. Oura believes that what one wears also impacts how a person feels. The Oura technology is already established, but it has become a more attractive wearable device with Gucci's style. This is fashion and function together. Oura's Chief Operations Officer Michael Clapp said, Oura has always held a firm belief that wearable can be both innovative and stylish. Indeed, the Gucci X Oura ring is one valuable and fashionable accessory. The luxury fashion version of the Oura ring boasts Gucci's iconic G monogram with a sleek braided trim set in 80-karat gold. Oura's versatile design gets an elegant twist from the Italian fashion house. The Gucci X Oura ring can track and analyze data and provide insights when it comes to technical features. It offers activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and temperature checking, among others. The Gucci X Oura ring can be purchased from select Gucci stores worldwide at Gucci.com. Expect to witness a flawless blend of function and fashion with the precise health matrices. It can track the exquisite design that is profoundly Gucci. This collaboration may seem unusual at first, but Gucci actually has origins in sports and leisure. Oura is known for its health platforms and products, so the unlikely team-up is perfect. Access to personal health insights is a must these days if you want to be really fit and healthy, so this Gucci X Oura ring is definitely an ideal choice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.